In this video, we are going to discuss switch case statements in Java. In this demonstration, we are discussing switch case statement in Java. So in this program, we have defined one scanner class object, and then we are asking user to enter a character. So scanner.next, this is a method next with the help of which we can take a string from the keyboard as input, and dot caret 0, it will take the first character of the string and that will be assigned to the car character variable. So now we have taken input from the keyboard and this is nothing but one character. And now switch character, depending upon the character value, we are having multiple cases are there. Case capital A, case capital B, case capital C, case capital D. Otherwise, the default case will be this one. So default will be coming always at the last of the switch case statement construct. So now if the case is A, that means if the character is equal to capital A, then this line is going to get printed and break will terminate, make the logic come out from this switch case construct, and the next line whatever is having in the code will get executed. So break will actually terminate and the execution of the switch case statement block, and it will come out, the control will come out from the switch case construct, and whatever the lines are written after this switch case, they are supposed to get executed next. So let us go for execution. I think that will clear up your conception. So now if I put here capital A, I'm getting, you have typed letter A, end of the program is getting executed at the end. If I go for another input, say if I go for say capital B, I'm getting this one. If I go for capital C, I'm getting this one. If I go for capital D, you can find that you have typed the letter D is going to get printed. You can find that end of the program is always getting executed because the break is actually keep making the control come out from this switch case construct, and next part of the program is supposed to get executed. So now if I put any other value other than A, B, C, D, let us suppose I'm putting here R, then you have typed letter other than A, comma B, comma C and D. So in this way the default block is getting executed. So if you don't put this break, then what will happen? Say let us suppose I'm just omitting this break here. I'm just omitting this break. Then what will happen? If I put the value A, in that case you can find that you have typed the letter A and break is still there, so that's why the control will come out from this switch case and then the next line is getting executed as well. But if I give the input say capital B, in that case, then what will happen? If I give the input capital B, you have typed letter B, you have typed letter C. So B and C, these two statements are getting executed because the break is not there, and due to this particular break statement available here, the control is coming out and the end of the program is getting executed. So keeping this one in mind, what we can do, we can go for another time execution. Instead of giving capital A, if I give small a, then what will happen? So capital A, we are having a case for capital A but no case for small a, so that's why the control is coming to the default block and you have typed the letter other than A, B, C, D, that statement is getting executed. But let us suppose I want to execute this one for capital A and also for small a, then what should I do? Then I can do one thing, just see here, we can go for this and we can make this one small a. So what will happen for this capital A, there is no break, so that's why control will come to this block and this block will get executed. So let me show you that one. I'm going for this small b. So if I give small b, the line is getting executed. Let us uncomment this one. So small b, the line is getting executed. You have typed letter B, and then if you give the capital B also, we are getting the same thing. So let us test with A also. Small a, you have typed letter A. We are having this capital A, you have typed letter A. So in this way you can also have your case without any break, which is very much purposeful in this particular example. So in this demonstration, we have discussed that how to use the switch case construct in our Java. I think you are getting this idea. In your code also you can use this one. This particular switch case can also be represented using if and nested if, but this is a smarter way to represent. So it will bring more clarity in our code.